Hi, welcome to Industry 360, the industrial approach to data science. The objective of this video is how we started, why we started, when we started, and as of today, how has the journey been so far. Well, data says necessity is the mother of all invention. Graduated minds and engineered souls began thinking, one fine day, in 2011, that there should be a career coach like an eternal guru, guiding you for right career path, drafting a plan and sailing you through. While working in the industry, there were many challenges we faced, and most of the time experienced roadblock for a solution because we had no right point of contact in the need of the hour. The calculus, integration, and linear algebra seemed unimportant and useless, and solutions seemed beyond our reach. Following the traditional approach and getting delivery in time was becoming mundane, seeing the huge gap between education delivery and the industry demand. Few talented visionary people attempted to turn on shedding lights to others, bridging the gap, leveraging our expertise, for a better future and better comfort. In 2011, we opened our first and only institute with a passion towards engagement and delivery with quality for data-related transformation. It took months to identify where not to start, what not to involve, which direction not to follow. When you become a part of the team and you share your experiences with others, you get to know that your experience is not so important for you as it is for others. Hiring people and monetizing was not a plan, and neither it will ever be. Getting people on board with same or high caliber, driving passion and expanding in terms of skill set, so that we could help many others who look forward for career transformation. We knew in our time we didn't get one due to resource crunch. We started spreading awareness rather than developing products, and we saw a huge following from colleges, industries, individuals and placement bodies. And we began with a few B2B and B2C engagements. The passion was driving the same awareness with more zeal, and expanding the reach, benefiting everyone. Our focus was attention to detail, and this became our USP along with objective fulfillment. Concept building became more important than the coding. From 2011 till date, we see an evolution in data, edtech and domain, and we also evolved with time. Feel free to connect by ringing us on 9717264466, or you can mail us at hola@industry360.co.in.